Hey guys, how's it going? How to check X without logging in. So first of all, go ahead and visit the Twitter or X, right? So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just go ahead and visit X, type the Twitter username into the search engine to find, let me type right here, Twitter, right? Twitter, sorry, browser, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and log in basically with the browser, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, enter your username into the search engine to find specific profiles or tweets. You can use tools like TweetDeck or other Twitter viewer sites that allow browsing tweets without an account. Keep in mind that some content may be restricted to logged in users. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.